made this shape, just a disk, and then I chamfered the point here, so I got this kind of topology, and based on that just extended these edges, so I get this shape and then extend that to that shape. So the next step is to swap points. I think I'm just gonna get rid of this one and show you how that is done. Swap points is taking these guys and using detail swap points. Got a shortcut for that. Sometimes it's better just to create a shortcut. Extend that selection to select the right ones. Easier way of doing it. Swap points, and so on. Okay, so those are swapped, and I need to swap these guys as well, because if I tap this, you know, the roller coaster is going to be like that, or the loop is going to be like that. That's not really good. So I'll have to tweak this one. There are multiple ways of doing this. You could do this more accurately, I guess, in another way, but I think I'm just going to show it by using more cuts here. But I think I'm just going to show it this way around this time. So what I'll do is I'll use the transform tool. You'll see though that the transform tool is not really doing quite what it should. If I take this edge, you'll see that this guy here is lining up with that one, while it really should have lined up like that. So that's wrong, but it's okay, we can, doesn't matter that much in this case. Let's rotate this guy right here, and that should be about 90 degrees, minus 90, okay, but it's not lining up correctly here, so I'll tweak that manually by going like that. That should be something like minus 22.5, because this angle that we had here was 45. Okay, so tabbing that now, I got that. And I think that should be pretty good. You might actually want to scale that up or down, but I think I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Okay, so having that, what I can do is I can loop this stuff. I can take this one and that one, press U, that's my shortcut by the way, to select the path. So you got selection, select path somewhere here. Okay, so do that, and Control P to create that curve. I'll just cut that curve into another layer. And same thing, take this one, let's see, what did I take? Yeah, take this one and then that one, and U, Control P, cut that path into this layer. Okay, so now we've got two of these guys, and that should be all we need. So the next step is to take these guys. Oops, I guess I need to flip this one, press F to flip it, so both of these are or have a start point right here. Okay, and I also got I just made a disk like that, and let's see now. Okay, if I run real extrude now, I got multiple curves, and that's not quite what I want. It's doing a good job though. Actually, it's twisting that tube. That's quite interesting. Might have a use for that later on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of them, just paste that into another layer. Right, so now swap these points in layers and run rail extrude again. I don't want that many in this case. I think maybe I want 50. And don't use automatic, use uniform lengths. And not this one either, but this one. Okay. Okay, let's hit overwrite, and we got that. Actually, I want to copy this one first, and then run it. Okay, paste this one in here, and next up, do the same thing, same settings, and we now got these guys. Right? All good? Yeah, pretty much. So, okay. Let's take this guy right here. Let's see. Yeah, just copy that one to another layer. Actually, now I want, where did that one go? This one and that one. Yeah, now I want these to be in the same layer, so I'll cut that out, paste in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that thing here, or this one, follow these guys. That's not going to be rail extrude though. We're going to use rail clone for that one. Duplicate rail clone, yeah. Okay, I think that should work. Let's see. If it doesn't, then we'll use rail extrude. What I need to do now is take this guy, rotate it like that, hit E and T and move that down. I'm just going to do it semi-accurate. Okay, so we got that. Put that on place that about here-ish. Let's see if this works. So if I have this one and I use rail clone, let's see, segments, uniform. Okay, I'm a bit unsure about this one. Scaling, no, I don't think I want scaling. Line to start. So we had 50, so we'll make 50 on that one. And that's not working. Let's rotate it in this direction. Did that work? And okay. Is it working? It kind of is. I think, well, I'm just going to tab that. I think it's kind of working. I'm a bit unsure about this twist here. It seems like this one should have been more like that. So maybe I need to look into that. But you know, all in all, I think it's pretty good. I'm not sure if I would make the loop like this though. I present the loop. Well, what about this area? Okay. So this is not perfect, but I think I'll just leave it at that for now. There are also other ways of doing this. You also should consider spline transform and layout. So that might actually be better, but it can be kind of like tricky, I guess, to create a loop inside layout if it's big. It's kind of like more of a hassle navigating around the layout, I think. But yeah, I think I'll just leave it at this, and I might get back to it, maybe, we'll see.